What's going on, everybody? Chris here, and in this video I want to do a quick review video on a product that just recently was published a couple days ago, and the name of the product is called Fast Free Traffic by Helen Chang. And in this course, I want you to understand to not be confused, because when you do follow the steps right here, and you actually get to the actual deliverables, which is right here, I believe. And when you go through the modules, you'll notice there's a guy talking. It's not a woman speaking. And don't let that fool you, because Helen Chang is actually a very good affiliate. She's been on leaderboards. She busts her butt to get on leaderboards. So yes, she could have done the training herself, but she had locked in with the same mentor as me, and he helped her build this. Okay, so it was more of a done for you solution that she invested in with the guy that I um, also invested with, as far as product creation goes. Now, in the beginning of these modules, he will talk about. I say he because it's the same guy that I invested with, but this offer is more on a done for you basis. He helped her build the offer with his team, and to help her get a foothold on the whole launch game. Okay. Now the information, I went through it. I watched all of the videos. They're not very long. They're like about 12 minutes average each module. And he goes into the big traffic secret. It starts with a solid offer. Don't let the visitor escape. Take your visitor on a journey. Okay. Now I'm gonna read these out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add my commentary to them. Now, in module two, free traffic formula forever. Social media, tap into the power of video blogging, use your way to the bank. You talk about social video marketing and blogging. Module three, free traffic for the win. Free traffic methods, creating loyal affiliates. Traffic automation with email. Now, see this part right here. From the very beginning, John does talk about. I say John because he's the one that's commentating the training. Okay, it's not Helen so much so. Okay, now Helen, like I said earlier, Helen is a very good affiliate. She shows up for the promos when she does them, and she goes all out when she does the promos. Okay, you will meet her shortly if you decide to pick up this offer, fast free traffic. Okay. Um, let's see what was going on. Okay, and then module four. It's only four. It's not a big course. You don't be expect to be put to sleep. Okay, none of that. So it's easy, bite-sized chunks of information. Okay, and in module four, we have the ultimate free traffic source. I think I mentioned that already. I'm sounding a little redundant here. Anyhow, in the beginning, he leans more towards launching products, as I said earlier. Okay. And at the end of the day, he really is talking about building a customer list. Okay. As the main traffic that you would cultivate from product launching. Okay. Now he does talk about social media traffic, and like some of the other ways of driving traffic, but even he feels that it's through affiliates is where you'll see the biggest results, and I would agree that to be the case. um as opposed to doing social media and video marketing and blogging and all the other socials that they have out there to get traffic. Not to say that doesn't work. Now it does. It works great. Okay. So basically, he's, like I said, he's leaning more towards building a customer list for that traffic that you cultivate, because you own the traffic, hence the free traffic that you own. Okay. Now that's not including any fees you might have to pay to house the leads, the customer leads. um, but that's the angle they played on for fast free traffic, because he does go into the free traffic methods, which will I will segue into, because it's fast free traffic. I wanted to reveal to you the bonuses you get when you invest into fast free traffic. Okay, by Helen Chang. Okay, so here they are right here. Basically, you're gonna get the GPT Inception Traffic Method. I was gonna make it just that one bonus, but I went ahead and added three more bonuses. So you'll get a total of four bonuses, even though I'll probably have it said in the email as one bonus, which is the main bonus that I want to put you guys on, which is the GPT Inception Traffic. Okay, and basically what GPT Inception Traffic is, basically GPT Inception Traffic is driving free traffic from Chat GPT. Okay, and the way ChatGPT pulls for you to get traffic from ChatGPT, it when you do data research and anything like that, it pulls from sites like Medium, Reddit, and other sites like LinkedIn and stuff like that. It pulls from those authority sites to gather its information and data. Okay, that's hence why you see Medium and Reddit. You would surprisingly you don't see LinkedIn in here. But I went ahead and want to do Medium and Reddit because those are some of the major sites that GPT Inception Traffic it talks about what they pull from. Okay, so I went ahead and did the due diligence to get the information together for the medium magnet method because you if you post on that site and Reddit and LinkedIn and all that, you're giving the opportunity for when ChatGPT does its research for whatever it is, if it's a search based query or whatever, that it'll pull from these sites. And if you are publishing on Medium and Reddit and LinkedIn and all that, I don't want to get over your head, like explode your head with these. You're giving yourself the opportunity to have your link be exposed through ChatGPT search queries or any other research queries. Okay, if you do it in mass. Okay. But that's for those by themselves. It's really about the GPT inception traffic, and you go through that and set up what sites that is mentioned in GPT inception traffic and to give yourself the opportunity to be found through ChatGPT organic. Okay, whatever query that's being queried up. All right. So that's the bonus I have for you, or four bonuses. It's main, like I said, it's mainly chat. It's mainly GPT inception traffic, but those are the four bonuses I have for you. When you pick up fast free traffic from Helen Chang. Okay. So I'll leave that link below for you to go ahead and pick it up. Um, it's only 9.95 right now, launch price discount. And when you do get it, you get the ebook, some worksheets, audio, slide decks, so you can go with the slides on with the modules, all that jazz. And the reason I decided to push this fast free traffic is because I know, like I said earlier, we are the guy that's mentoring her has mentored me. Okay. And what he shows us works. Okay. Now it is one out of the millions of ways to do it online. Okay. There's no set way on how to build an online business. Okay, to be clear. All right. I just happen to found through launching digital offers with affiliate partners to be one of the better ways to get a foothold on the whole online game. Okay, granted, even though in back it's mostly email marketing, um, all that good stuff, but that's why I decided to push because I knew I can give you another form of free traffic through GPT organic from queries. So I went ahead and put that bonus together for you guys. Okay, so be sure to check out Fast Free Traffic by Helen Chang. Click that link below. Pick it up, get your bonuses, your four bonuses, even though I have it to where it's only one bonus. If you landed on an email that brought you to this video, okay. So that's all I want to share with you guys. So go ahead, pick up free traffic from Helen Chang with the help of John helping her to create the offer and get your bonuses. And I'll see you guys in the bonus member area. Y'all be blessed.